There it is. Run Me Fit. We're going to have to get a bird's eye view and check these out. Now listen, they sent me these watches. I hadn't even heard of them before. But apparently it's going to be some sort of athletic smartwatch design. So I told them that Amy actually is the runner. I'm not the runner. I run from like A to B if I have to. Amy likes to run recreationally. She does the 5 and the 10K and all that stuff. Hats off to her. Hats off to her. But in any event, they sent me one that I can try out, and they also sent one that Amy can try out in a different colorway. So I think I have like the gray and I have the purple for Amy. Why don't we get a bird's eye view here? We'll go to top down, which is right over there. And then we can open her up and unbox the Run Me Fit. Look at that. Smart on your wrist, real in your life. This is not a paid review. I'm Ross. Thanks for coming to the channel. I appreciate all the support. We're going to check out the Run Me Fit smartwatches, athletic smartwatches. See what kind of functions they have, what they can do, and hopefully you enjoy them. Maybe they could be a gift for someone or for yourself. You never know. And I'm used to wearing a smartwatch. I wear Garmin all the time, right? So I can track my heart rate. I can track the temperature outside. I can track my steps. I can track the world time. I have my heart rate. What is it at right now? It's like at 89. It fluctuates between 89, 91, 92. Look at that. Because I'm getting excited. I think it's going up. But in any event, I've been wearing the Garmin Fenix 7X Sapphire Solar for a long time already. Love it. I also get the ability to track golf and stuff like that, so it's got the GPS built in. And the kicker is I can charge this thing once in 30 days, right? I use power save mode. I shut it down when I go to bed at 10:30 at night. All right, let's get into it. What do we got here? A little towel action or something? Oh, look at that. Amy can put on a sweatband for her wrist, a wristband. Or I can put it on when I'm in the gym. Let's put on this wristband. Might as well get into the flavor of things before we put the watch on. And there's 2 of them in there. All right. Get rid of the box. And let's show you what you're looking at here. We're looking at the Run Me Fit Racer 3s. Ross, Amy. Here we go. Now, thanks for coming to the channel. I appreciate all the support. For those of you who are interested, my wrists are 7 1/4 inches. If you're new to the channel, Amy's the runner. I'm not the runner, but we'll see. I can do some exercises and see what's happening. Looks like it's going to have the ability to monitor some stuff, so let's see what they can offer. And just for full disclosure there, my opinion's my own. This is not a paid review, but we don't have to send these back. Apparently they're being gifted to us. So now I wonder if Amy's going to like that colorway right away. Ooh, lightweight too. Lightweight. Whew. You hardly feel any weight there. Silicone rubber feels nice. That should offer some comfort. But that is like super light. Charge to activate. So we got to plug them in and get them powered up. You can see they have a sensor on the back that's going to sit on your wrist and be able to monitor some stuff for you, which is pretty cool. And that display, I'm hoping, I'm going to be optimistic that it's going to be a nice display by looking at the box there. Instruction manual, quick start guide, and there's your cable for charge up. Looks like USB-C, which is good. So hopefully if you lose this, maybe you can use a regular USB. And it has not an alligator style clip, but just a really simple 2-prong clip there with like what looks like 4 points of contact. But the overall weight, my gosh, that thing, like, I bet you it's less than 40, 50 grams. All right, as luck would have it, they come packaged with power already. Like, you give that a touch and look at that. Whew. All right, so I got to select between English and what looks like maybe Chinese or Mandarin or something. I mean, I have to admit, right, out of the box, the thing is so light, it almost feels like you got it from a bubblegum machine. But look at that display. Now, that's pretty sharp. Now, it says you have to download Run Me Fit from the Google Play Store or App Store. Okay, I had to bring the scale over. I just had to because I was just so curious. And, well, let's see. Oh. Amy's actually messaging me right now because I sent her a video about the watch. 45 grams with the full package. All right. I knew it was going to be under 50. There we go. We connected the cord and then it powered up. Allow Run Me Fit to find Bluetooth devices. Okay, I'll allow that. I don't need notifications. What do we got here? It says light mode, dark, turquoise. Why don't we go dark? Get start it. Your age, what? That's a little personal. All right, let's go with 55. Your weight, oh my goodness, Amy's gonna snap. Let's go in pounds. My weight is 198. I'm a little heavy right now. Keepers down below here for supports for the strap. I'll get all the specs and measurements out in the full review. Some directions here. This one is your go back button, which is great. It's telling you right here, the crown. Crown takes you to your main menu. Click the crown, click the crown, click the crown. Press the crown to menu. Great. Click the crown to enter the main interface. Nice. Ooh, that's like AMOLED display. That's even better display than my MIP for the Garmin. Look at that. Oh boy, this is going to be fun. So if I hit the crown, the center crown here, you see that? If I hit the center crown, it takes me to your main menu options. And then can I do touchscreen for that? Oh, I can. Look at that, all the different options here. Wait a minute, what's the heart rate? Measuring. Stay still. But what if I want to do something? 98. Oh, see, I'm all excited from making the video. Interesting. So go back. Should take me back to the other screen. Perfect. There we go. Oh, we got a timer. We got a stopwatch. Oh, look at that. 1/100th of a second stopwatch. And then I can pause it. And that's probably reset right there. Perfect. Go back. Countdown timer. 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. I like that they have quick sets. That's pretty cool. Oh, you got a calculator, an alarm, calendar, find my phone, flashlight. Where's the light? Oh, okay. I see. The dial acts as the flashlight. Cool. Oh, wow. There's so much we can go through into this. At first glances, I'm telling you right now, it may feel like it comes out of a bubblegum machine, but performance-wise, this thing has all the different, makings of like an Apple or Garmin device. So let's see what we got with the Runmefit Racer 3. Wow, it looks like we're on our way. We've got her connected and we can start monitoring stuff. So we can go with steps. We can go with how far we've traveled, how many calories we've burned, heart rate, no data yet. Sleep, it monitors your sleep too. Mood tracking, your mood tracking. Oh boy, I'll know when Amy's all upset and stuff. Sports records, blood oxygen level, great, and your respiratory rates too. Awesome. So let's get her up and running, and I'll do some stuff, and maybe I'll even hit the gym before I go in the sauna later, and we'll see what we can get. But I am not gonna lie, I am pleasantly surprised with this product. This thing kicks butt so far. There's so many different options and so much tracking available for a price point that's well below something like Garmin or Apple Watch and things like that. And this screen, the display, okay, there you have it. That's the Runmefit. That's it, unboxed. It's on the wrist already. Easy to get the app set up. And so far, I've been able to do a lot of stuff on the watch without even having to use the phone yet. So I am so interested to see how much functionality you're gonna get out of here at this price point. But they're doing something right here. Runmefit, the Racer 3. Thanks for coming to the channel. I'm Ross. Appreciate all the help and all the support. We're on our way to 10,000. Do all your things, fancy things with the like, subscribe, keep the algorithm going, and we'll see you on the next one.